We are starting on a walk, in Indian terms, a Padayatra, from Kanyakumari, which is the southern end of India, towards Srinagar. So our starting point would be Kanyakumari and last point would be Srinagar. The intention of this walk, I've called it the Walk of Hope, and also it is called Manav Ekta Mission, which means bringing human beings together. Now we have to take a re-look. I think you are talking about re-engineering. I think re-engineering is a good word to use because we need to think outside the box. We have got accustomed to thinking along known lines. You have to break that design and come out and have something new. So I'm very glad that you're using the word re-engineering. You know, engineering is not merely a mechanical or an electrical thing like engineering. When you say think of machines and things like that, engineering is actually to be able to change, to be able to bring about a change, to turn the paradigm. It's called a paradigm shift actually. This is what I mean by engineering. I think this is what engineering should be. You know, the founder of the Ford Motors, Henry Ford, was once hauled into a court in the United States, and the judge wanted to make fun of him because he knew that he knows nothing about automobile engineering. So he asked him in public, "Mr. Ford, what do you know about automobiles and engineers and machines?" He said, "I don't know a thing, but I know something called human engineering." So he said, "What is that?" He said, "I know how to get any expert on automobile to do what I want." He called it human engineering. So this engineering is such an important word that you're using, and we in our own way are also trying to re-engineer, because I think that can be done only through walking and being with the people of this country one to one. So this is the aim of this. We are not using any vehicles. We are going to walk, to be rooted to the ground, to be rooted to the earth, to live with the villagers, to find out what we are doing. So in this context, we are starting off for the Padayatra, and the hope is, we call it the Walk of Hope, because the hope is to bring about a new country, bring about a new India, where people settle their differences through peaceful dialogue and not through violence. This is also against violence. People can always, belonging to different religions, belonging to different communities, different ideologies, they can sit together across the table and work out things. There is no need to make it what you might call a political issue. So this is the aim, and this we propose to do. And I am very happy to know that you also, what we call the Engineering Watch, I want to congratulate you for your summit in Re-Engineering India, which is to be held in Singapore in September. And I think that our Walk of Hope is also a sister attempt as yours to re-engineer the thought processes of the people of this country, so that we have a successful and wonderful future for this country. Thank you.